Hi, so here I've highlighted the reason for this tutorial. Basically, OmegaT, the cat tool, it's free for everyone. It says on the site immediately that it doesn't do the translations for you. It doesn't do machine translation. It does do a sort of machine translation, but it's not traditional, and I want to show you how to activate that in your OmegaT. So here we have the Declaration of Independence. It's already open. And the place that you find that is under Options and Machine Translate. I like to make sure that I have untranslated segments only checked so that it doesn't try to retranslate things that I've already done, especially if I'm in like a post-review stage where, well, I guess especially if I'm in the cold translation stage because I don't want it retranslating things that I've already tried to translate. And if you have keys to do Google Translate or Microsoft Translator, please use them like they're great. I currently have my memory machine and human translation. We're just going to go. So immediately you see down here in the bottom right corner, it actually does machine translate exactly what's going on. You can just copy and paste it. It doesn't fill it in for you, but it does machine translate it as long as you have a translation memory installed, and then it updates the translation memory automatically. So when you go forward, it will recognize the same phrases and it will do fuzzy matches for you. See, it's actually really good. I mean, I would trust any translator to make sure that they're editing this correctly so that it's not just copy and paste. You actually are doing a bit of quality assurance and control as you're doing it to make sure that all of the grammar is correct and all of the words are correct, obviously. But for the sake of just going through and showing you how the machine translation here works, we're going to just keep going. We're not going to worry about grammar too much. For those of you that do know Slovak, if any of you know Slovak, like these are actually pretty good translations. They're not 100% perfect. They're a little bit the wrong voice, if you know what I mean. It's not 1800s politics voice, but it's very good. Anyway, that's how you activate your machine translation, and that's the difference between OmegaT and other ones. It's not that it doesn't do it, it's just that it does it a little bit differently. It still works, and it still works great. It's a very versatile tool. Anyway,